Journalists from China and ASEAN countries had the luxury to experience the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway. The journalists on an international media tour praised the project.
On Wednesday, the Song of Our Homeland China ASEAN International Media Tour 2023 had the opportunity to experience the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway, the first of its kind in Indonesia. The media tour consists of journalists from China and ASEAN countries, as well as local and overseas Chinese students. This is what they have to say about the experience.
Yes, I take it a lot, travel from my hometown to Beijing where I, work.
Kalau kampung halaman saya agak jauh dari universitas saya di Tiongkok. Jadi setiap kali kalau saya mau ke universitas, saya harus naik kereta cepat.
I'm super excited about taking this train because it's my first time to taking, Jakarta-Bandung high-speed rail. And I also interviewed several passengers on this train. And I find out there are a lot of similarities between Chinese train and the Indonesia train. But I also find out that there are some, cultural elements, mixed into the like the fabric of the chair. I heard that it's a kind of cultural intangible heritage, the pattern of the clouds, and I really love the way that you promote your own heritages.
Kemarin saya naik kereta api dari kereta cepat dari Jakarta ke Bandung. Waktu itu saya merasa seperti pulang ke kampung halaman. Jadi ini membuat saya merasa sangat seperti rumah. Seperti Bandung sudah menjadi kampung halaman saya kedua.
It's comfortable and fast and can save my time. Yeah, good. Yeah.
In China, I think it exceeds 400, maybe. Yeah. But as far as I know, China and Indonesia are the only two countries in this world to have such 350 kilometers, this fast.
Waktu saya naik kereta cepat, saya sudah notice that, saya sudah sadar bahwa di depan tempat duduk itu ada seperti motif batik, motif mega. Jadi itu memang sangat Indonesia. Ini membuat saya merasa sangat eksotis, ya.
Yeah, I before use one time from Jakarta to Bandung, same. Not too fast, but okay. Yeah, but I choose the faster speed train. I would like to choose the faster speed train. Yeah.
Sudah, waktu saya pertama kali mau kuliah di U4 Pajajaran, saya naik kereta api dari Jakarta ke Bandung. Ya, saya merasa kalau dibandingkan dengan kereta cepat, memang lebih pelan-pelan, tapi memang lebih nikmat karena bisa sambil menikmati pemandangan, sambil ngobrol dengan teman-teman. Ya, jadi. Tetapi menurut saya, kalau dompet saya izinkan, saya akan pilih kereta cepat.
There are only two countries in the world that possess high-speed railway system operating at top speed of 350 kilometers per hour, China and Indonesia.